Replacement knob. Turn off the power and the corner valve. We assist the two sides to gently lift up. There are two wires at the back. This one we pinch and pull it out. The other one, unscrew the nut. There are two screws here. Let's remove them. After removing them, the cover can be lifted up. Loosen this screw again. After loosening this, the cover can be opened. Let's pull out the wires one by one. Take a picture before we unplug it, so we can plug it back in later. We'll start by turning this knob this way. Take it out. Take a new wire and run it through here. There are slots here. The small one goes this way. Tighten it up. Screw it back in. The knob goes in here.